Today we're making the best pork tenderloin, all in an air fryer. One great way to prepare pork recipes is with a seasoning rub with brown sugar, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ground mustard, salt, and pepper. And if you like it spicy, you can add just a dash of cayenne pepper. Before we add our ingredients, we'll want to cut off any of the silver skin, which is just a thin membrane that is usually part of the meat. Just use a sharp knife and peel it away. This can be the most time-consuming part of the recipe. We'll place our pork right into the air fryer pan. Mouth-watering, tender, juicy, and delicious pork tenderloin. This recipe for air fryer pork tenderloin couldn't be more simple. Now we'll add in our ingredients. We'll add in brown sugar, smoked paprika, salt, ground mustard, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil. Pork tenderloin is the filet mignon of pork. It's a very lean, very tender piece of pork. It can be prepared in a number of ways and works well with so many different seasoning mixtures. Don't forget to subscribe. We cook and bake a lot. We'll be uploading videos weekly, so make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. This seasoning mix, along with the simplicity of an air fryer, will produce a pork tenderloin that you will not believe. The outside of the tenderloin will crisp up and the brown sugar will caramelize to create a flavor explosion. The flavors of this seasoning rub are so perfect and the meat is so juicy. The taste is simply out of this world. With the high-speed circulating heat of the air fryer and being close to the heating element, it's the perfect environment so that the pork tenderloin stays nice and juicy on the inside. Okay, we're done with that. I'll give it a good rub. Rub all those spices into the meat. Get as much on there as possible. Be sure to check out our growing collection of videos on our channel and see the link to our most recent video and a video recommended just for you at the end of this video. Look at that. All those delicious sweet and savory spices. Okay, time to get this into the air fryer. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat for 5 minutes. Once the air fryer is preheated, keep the temperature at 400. Select air fry and set the time for 23 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to open up our air fryer and turn the pork. Looking good so far. Smells great. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Wow! We'll let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes before slicing. Get all that sauce on there. Now let's slice it up. It's hot and tender. That looks amazing. Nice. Let's drizzle some of that extra sauce on top. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.